welcome to the Owl Circle podcast. Today, we're honored to have Joyce Lau, architect turned entrepreneur. But I'm going to leave it to her to introduce herself, as she told me she wanted to do the introduction herself.
Hi, Shelly. Hi, everyone. My name is Joyce. As Shelly told you, I used to be an architect, but then I suddenly turned into a entrepreneur. So now I own a bedding brand here in Hong Kong, and I'm a mom of two.
Why did you decide to go from architect to an entrepreneur?
This is completely 唔係 under 一個預期之中啦，因為 like actually 係我爹哋好想做 architect，but then 咧我唔知道你會唔會知道以前嗰個 generation 咧，其實讀 architecture 讀建築係好貴，因為要買好多材料啊，要整模型啊，so that he actually became an engineer. So it was his sort of 我係幫佢完成佢嘅夢，but then at the same time 佢都覺得我個 character 好適合做 architect，咁所以其實好細個已經開始，我又中意畫畫啦，跟住我又好中意即係玩模型啊咁樣嘅，咁所以我爹哋就好早已經灌輸我呢個 idea 話，you should be an architect，like you know 所有嗰啲琴棋書畫嘅 direction 都係 towards in the future I will learn architecture， so 其實都冇諗過要做其他嘢，或者 in another words 係我係好 focus on 我知道 I'm just going to be an architect, I'm going to do whatever that it suits that path。咁所以就冇啊 just like 好聽話，一路都係我要讀理科，我要學畫畫，跟住就去英國讀書，要讀啲乜嘢科計數 whatever，跟住就好順利咁樣就上咗大學度讀 architecture，跟住又好順利咁樣完成我嘅所有考牌啊成啊，咁跟住後尾其實係跟喺英國，我喺英國考牌嘅，喺英國讀書嘅，咁所以喺英國度我就跟住一個大陸嘅 project 翻咗嚟香港，咁跟住就嚟咗嗰間英國公司嘅香港 branch 度做嘢，咁 so it just all worked out。跟住後尾我就識咗我老公啦，跟住好快結咗婚啊，有咗小朋友啊，跟住就係因為 Pia 個皮膚係真係一件好困擾嘅事情咯。So how did we find out that 佢有一個 skin issues 咧？就係因為佢成日都係左邊面同埋左邊手臂會爛咯，跟住好 irritated 嘅，因為好痕啊，跟住夜晚瞓唔到啊，跟住 just not it's not a nice thing to see，you know。跟住後尾醫生就話佢係除咗有 eczema 或者有啲少少嘅 food allergies 之外，佢就係有嗰一個叫 contact dermatitis，即係 basically 你掂到啲 chemicals，咁跟住你就會出 rashes，你就會好嗰個 skin 嗰個屏障好弱啊，咁所以你會 treat 呢啲 external 嘅 chemicals as 一個好似即係一個 attack 咁樣，咁所以佢就會 flare up with 好多 issues，跟住就好又唔好，好又唔好，反反覆覆，跟住即係都係要用 steroids 嚟控制嗰個 situation，但係 steroids，I mean everyone knows your mom you know。你用得多，你會越嚟越薄㗎嘛啲皮膚，咁所以我就係好 eager to find a solution that is like more of a natural remedy。跟住咧，我就上去the power of community，就係我上咗一個網站度有啲 forum 咁樣啦，跟住啲阿媽就喺度傾有 contact dermatitis 嘅小朋友點樣搞佢哋嘅皮膚，咁佢就話有人就 suggest 我有冇試過 bamboo beddings，因為咧其實 Pia 咧佢嗰個 rashes 係淨係出面喺左邊，係點解？因為佢係 sleep side sleeper，佢淨係左邊先長期時間掂住嗰個床單，咁所以我就好快就覺得我需要 improve 佢嘅床單嘅 quality 啦，跟住就係啦，咁喺呢個 forum 嗰度 search 啦，跟住嗰啲媽咪就話要試下 bamboo beddings，因為其實 bamboo beddings 係可以做到冇 chemicals 咁樣去。即係個 end product 可以冇 chemicals 啦，咁 which is compared to 我哋 traditional 用好多 like cotton 啊或者 linen for example，even though the 嗰個 raw material 係 organic， 其實有好多 production 嘅過程之中都有好多其他 quick crack 嘅 chemicals 噶嘛，咁所以跟住後尾我就好啦，咁試下啦，it's like magical 咯，即係完全係。almost overnight 係佢係個 situation 係有得到改善，跟住咧我就開始哇好興奮啊！周圍喺度同即係其他媽咪 group，你嗰啲 baby 媽咪 group 咧喺度傾呢件事，跟住就開始 group buy 啦，幫佢哋，跟住買下咧我就有一次我就話等我試下買埋俾自己先，跟住我係真係 just 你有 skin issues 佢就 resolve 你嘅 skin issue，你冇 skin issues。It's just the sleeping experience is so different, and I was just so shocked that 喺香港冇人，或者 at least 喺8年前當呢個 idea 發生嘅時候，冇即係 it was not popular at all. Like people were especially Hong Kong people，佢哋咁中意一啲享受物質上面嘅即係高級嘅 quality，點解會冇人識呢一個咁舒服嘅 sleeping fabric 咧？跟住我就即係 it was just 一個奇想，我所以 why don't I start a brand and then I will bring this in because I see that people love it and I love it. Like it's just honestly it changed my life. It changed Pia's life. It changed our life, and it was just。It was like a calling, like oh you have to spread the words 咁樣啦。咁所以其實我冇諗咁多啊，我係純粹好中意個 product，覺得嗰個 quality 好好。And then I just want more people to know about it, and then more people can enjoy the way I enjoyed it。咁跟住我就決定要 start 個 brand 咯。
咁 instead of like starting your own brand, why don't you just bring like different brands in？
冇
唔係會
啊
方，便啲咩？
都冇嗰陣時，
但係你唔係
即係香港
話喺
好少
group
咯。
buy 嘛
我
可以
group buy，但係嗰個係係喎。I think that's the architecture side of me that comes
You have to
in.
build
Like you
something
have to
from
build
scratch.
something. Yeah, it's like from an idea, then I own it, and I enjoy the process of building something. What in this case is a business.
When did you think was the moment that you thought, okay, I'm done with architect，我要轉行啦？
其實完全冇，就算嗰陣時 start as a side business 咧，都冇諗過要轉行嘅。It's just like I should be and I am supposed to be an architect， so 一路都冇諗過要轉咯。Until it 即係嗰個字叫咩？係咪叫托賴啊？唔知 OK，maybe is a wrong word。即係好 lucky 係真係個 side business took off. Like people really love it. Like they appreciate it. Honestly, I didn't have any single marketing dollar at the time. It was just like purely, again, like the power of community. 一個傳一個，我話俾佢聽，喂，我發現咗呢個 brand 啊，跟住 it's just I just kept talking about it. I just kept, and I think it's just come so naturally to me. It doesn't feel so salesy at all. Like, I'm trying to earn big money from it. I was just genuinely really believe and enjoy the product, and I want my friends to know about it, and then their friends enjoyed it, and they 即係 it's just 一個連一個，好似就算我話俾你聽，你好似已經變成咗一個 Joyce 咁樣咯，即係你 you talk about the product and you enjoy the product the way how I did. So like 好多個細嘅 Joyce 咁樣 ripple effect， 咁大家都好 genuinely enjoy the product。咁 I think it was just so lucky in a way, but it also really on brand because I think the way how we started the brand, it was very honest. Like there were no fluff, there were no like fancy like 又唔係 tag 又唔係咩， it's just like so simple, right? 跟住so 後尾係去到我生我第二個小朋友嘅時候 it was just a bit of a 點講咧？即係 architecture. I don't know if you have any friends who are architect. Like it's just the hours are very very long. 我記得我未有小朋友之前，我記得我有幾個月咧係即係 base 喺大陸係完全冇翻過嚟香港啊，或者好多時候係話 work over the night. Like don't get me wrong, we all really really enjoy it. 即係做得 architects 其實大家都係好醉心想做好一個起一個樓嘅 project。But then it's just the hours are too long. And then at that time 我記得我係可能翻工放工去到夜晚可能11點，咁我翻到屋企休息下，跟住我就可能做到凌晨1-2點，跟住 on Naked Lab， 跟住我第二朝又繼續去翻 architecture， 跟住夜晚我又繼續在 Naked Lab， 即係個時間比 Naked Lab 其實好少咯。But then 個回報係好大 ，not just on the money part, but also as again like how I told you, like 個回報 of people actually liking it and they actually impact 到人哋個 life， 嗰個係好 impact 到我咯。The fact that I can be in 即係一個咁 intimate 嘅 way to 影響或者即 make good of 人哋個 life， 即係其實係好難，即係有時我比起 build 一個 building 嗰個成就感係好 different 咯，因為你起到個樓，哇好勁啊！即係個香港嘅 skyline 你見到，哇嗰個指住佢嗰個 M+， 所以同我個女講，嗰個我起嘅咁，同我有一個產品係每一日都 impact 到你個 life， 係嗰個滿足感好唔同咯。So I think this is also something that which drew me to 暫時放棄我個 architecture career to just full time 投放喺我個 side business 嗰度咯。
我完全明白你個感受，
Yeah.
因為其實都係好似我以前即係 finance，哇賺嘅錢係多而家好多，但係而家就嗰個滿足感係完全唔同嘅，即係你覺得好似every day I'm making a difference，幫到人咁樣。你做咗幾耐係同時一路做緊 architect 啦，跟住又做 Naked Lab， 維持咗幾耐
？3年 R&D 就我女出咗世啦，跟住我用咗大概1年嘅時間去即係揾個 fabric 啊，揾廠整啊 ，design packaging whatever， 跟住大概一年之後我就去正式 launch 個 brand， 跟住我大概 run 咗3年，跟住我生我第2個仔嗰陣時我就 quit 咗我份工咯。It was just so sad also because I miss architecture all the time。我記得我每一次咧，我送我個女去游水咧，每一次我都會經過一個樓係我有份起嘅。我每一次我都話 look， 媽咪起嘅，佢話，跟住漸咧已經係我哋一過去嗰陣時咧，我個女已經話嗰個你起嘅咁樣啦。It's just like I still miss it, but I think it was just a perfect change at the perfect time of my life. It also 我都好難以想像我而家即係 I would say my life right now is just so beautiful because of this as well. I couldn't imagine another better way to balance between motherhood and work. 如果我仲係喺 architecture 嘅話，我覺得我都會幾 struggle 俾我小朋友嘅時間，即係我覺得我會唔夠啊，我可能有好多 mom guilt 啊 etc， 或者可能我放咗工翻嚟我都仲係諗緊公司嘅嘢，但我覺得反而因為我有我自己嘅 business， 我可以有嗰個 control， 我幾時要做啲乜嘢。And then when I decided that okay now I'm putting my mom hat on, I can switch off my other hat。即係我反而我知道好多 business owner 佢哋個頭係佢哋個腦係24小時都係不停有好多 ideas 諗緊嘢。But I feel like actually I can manage that quite well when I need to be a mom. I'm just mom. 我好少會 mom 嘅時候，我仲諗 work 嘅嘢。Till a point that will bother me so much that I would need to go like leave my mom hat and then 我要做嘢咁樣，我好少咯。
咁即係你同你啲小朋友一齊嗰陣時，你係唔會做嘢嘅？
好少。
但係你唔會係 back of your mind 你覺得誒死啦，我又要做呢個，我又唔記得要做嗰個，呢個趕住就嚟交咁。
好少。
OK，that's。
但我都覺得呢個係我其中一個 character trait，maybe 即係我係好適合 multitask 嘅人。But in that sense 係我可以 switch on and off 好快咯。即係我可以而家即刻我擺低部電腦，我即刻 fully 100% mom mode， 或者我掉低咗我女咧，我即刻又一開機我已經係即刻好知道我要做啲乜嘢。That sense 我覺得我 multitask 係有幫助到我 do both things，not at the same time at different times。
我覺得 being able to switch off completely 係一件好難嘅事嚟。
係，
因為我做唔到嘅，因為我同我啲 kids spend time yes，but to be honest if you ask me whether I'm like 100% switched off 唔得咯。即係 maybe 50-50。if they're lucky。原來即係太多驚我自己做唔晒又話it's the timing， 我今日一定要 launch 呢樣嘢，如果唔係就太遲㗎啦，咬緊呢啲嘢。你有冇覺得即係你 decide to okay I'm gonna do this full time， 有冇驚過咧？即係 is it the right thing to do 咁樣問過自己咧？或者有冇 regret 咧
？regret 係一定冇嘅，因為 as I said， 我覺得我而家即係 run 呢個 business 俾咗我一個 opportunity to really design and live the way how I never thought that I could。係有驚嘅，但係冇 regret 咯。我嗰個驚咧係我已經 anticipate 緊嗰個驚咯，因為我Zen 我老公佢都係自己嘅 business， 所以其實我係即係一路都見到佢 ups and downs 啊，或者即係睇佢點樣控制各方面嘅 situation， 即係我已經知道大概會係點樣樣，所以我覺得我係 more like looking forward，係咪 looking forward 咧？
緊張，即係好似好 excited
about how it will be for me than actually worrying 咯。If you get what I mean， like 我覺得我已經知道 it's gonna be a bit challenging and it's gonna be like 緊張或者 gonna be 好 stress，因為 I think it's also 一個好大嘅落差係 architecture is such a big humongous project that requires maybe at a time like 200 people working on the same project, right? So everyone is doing a very tiny role towards a very big goal. But then 其實你我 as at least 而家 Naked Lab where we're doing 即係我哋而家個 position 係 it's like the other way round. Everyone's impact is huge. 每一個 team member 做緊嘢都係好大個 contribution。跟住我 I think it's more like the 我最 stressful 嘅係反而覺得嗰個要 take responsibility 嗰一下係我最唔習慣咯。It was not like 係啊，即係 out of 咁多 business 上面嘅嘢，我覺得呢個係最難去。I think I'm still learning how to take ownership of things， 係好驚，即係好驚 take responsibilities 啊，you know。Like
what kind of responsibility？
即係如果一個 campaign flop 咗，it's because of me. There's no one else. Like 即係 okay, me and my marketing team of course, but then it's still like 我嘅 decision to make this move, this direction. I set this goal. Like if it's not going well, then it's because you know your vision sucks. 即係呢一個係我好驚去面對。And I think also 係因為我本身係一個好驚 confrontation 嘅人，好驚 conflict 嘅人，所以我會好多時候唔夠膽 stand up for 我自己個 beliefs。
咁我想問嗱，你個之前 architect 同埋而家其實嗰個 nature of the work is very different， right？咁你之前話以前就係好多人去做一個 project，而家就係可能係 mainly 係你自己同埋有幾個 staff 咁樣去幫你做呢一個 brand 出嚟。咁喺 architecture 入邊，你 what did you bring from architecture to help you build your business？
I think it's more like the architecture 咧，其實好多時候因為你都係 working for a client, right? So client has a vision, and then you're more like the hands to execute it。我覺得係 OK with changes 咯，因為好多時候你有嘅ideas 未必係 client 想要嘅嘢，所以 the fact that 你想有嘅 idea get like say no, I think that is okay. It all happens all the time。基本上每一次你都係已經有幾個準備唔同嘅 idea to present to the client, and you get maybe sometimes all of them they will say no, or maybe just one。即係我覺得呢一個 skills 係 what 好重要咯，即係 from architecture to business， 即係 the fact that you're okay with people saying no, and also things change all the time. It's okay, just close the door， 係咪向走去第二度咯？唔該再試下，即係 the fact that you just keep trying as long as the direction is you are still moving, you're still going, then it's okay.
Let's move on to another topic. Designing your own life with intention, right? What does that actually mean to you?
我可以喺 the time I can be who I want to be and do what I want to do at the time that I want and be fully into it.
Do you think 一個人可以 intentionally 去 design 一個 life 去即係 the way they want it to be？ 你覺唔覺得你而家呢一個stage 完全都係你自己去 design 出嚟？
我覺得我好 lucky 咯，like to be able to do this。即係 I think it just go back to the fact that 我可以 financially at least 可以 quit 我個 full time job to be you know running my own business。咁呢個你一定要有一個 you know 有一個 powerful 嘅 partner to support a life like that。即係呢個係一定係好 lucky， 你要有呢個 as a base 先咯。跟住 I think it just takes a while to get to this motor, this cycle. You need to sort of know what you want first. Like how well do you know yourself? 你係咪真係知道你自己想要啲咩嘢？你知唔知道你自己需要啲咩？或者你知唔知道你嘅 嘅長處喺邊度，真正嘅長處喎，即係唔係人哋話俾你聽 you are good at that。即係我覺得我 live a very beautiful life right now and I can again I think I'm just going back to the same point like I really are fully contributing at the time when I'm doing what I'm doing.
How do you decide what deserve your time and energy then?
咪即係個個人都有一隻杯，咁你嗰隻杯你要倒幾多唔同嘅飲品落去？我嗰個杯咧，淨係可以倒4個飲品落去嘅啫。一個就係我個 work，一個就係我個 children，一個就係我個 husband，一個就係我個 fitness，冇其他位置 for other things. For me, I only want to put 4 things in this cup. 即係可能有其他人中意擺少啲，but then 擺10樣嘢落去都係 OK 嘅。If that's what you want，我係好 clear 呢4樣就係 deserve 我個 time 嘅嘢咯。And there's trade-offs。like 我記得我以前即係 in a previous phase of my life， 我好多朋友成日出街，晚晚都有好多飲嘢啊、食飯啊、聚會咁。But I think at this point of my life, I'm okay to tune that down。like 我好少出街 social 啊，或者 like 我好少會出去飲嘢食啊。少咗朋友好多咯，可能得真係小貓3-4隻 good very very good friends。咁我其他就係嗰4樣嘢咯，喺我個杯嗰度。
咁你會點樣去即係 split 呢4樣嘢喺你嗰個？
我點樣 split 咧係非常之容易嘅，因為咧我淨係 work during the time when my kids don't need me。For example, when they're in school。咁嗰8個係咪8個鐘頭啦？something like that，就7點鐘我就送咗佢哋出去巴士之後，我就會開工。開工一做，我就會做到去到3點。佢翻嚟咧我就唔做嘢㗎啦。咁我什麼會我都唔會開，什麼 call 我都唔會接，因為嗰個 block 係直情係 block off 咗。我3點至到7點呢啲時間係我小朋友嘅時間，我乜都唔會做 work related 嘅嘢。But then I will tell them， 5點鐘我會 by the pool。因為 Pia 游緊水，我有2個鐘 gap， 我就可以嗰2個鐘去 meeting or whatever，即係我 by the pool 嘅時候我做嘢咁樣。咁跟住7點我哋翻咗屋企食飯，去到我 kids 瞓覺嗰2個鐘，7點至9點我係一定唔會做嘢，乜嘢都唔會做。我係直情好少，我會約人 between 呢個 hour。如果有人要約我食飯，我又通常都會同佢講，你可唔可以5點半？即係如果我係跟住。9點之後，我以前我會繼續做嘢，9點又再開工，跟住去到可能11點或者12點，跟住就瞓覺咁樣啦。而家我就會 more like 可能hang out with 我 husband 啊，或者早啲瞓啊。9點呢排係 more like 早啲瞓咯。9點我就會同啲小朋友佢哋拜拜 good night， 我就瞓咯。
哇！9點鐘瞓，咁你幾多點起身咧
？6點半。Same as the kids.
That's very good. 即係差唔多都有9個鐘喎。
But I mean, I would love to not sleep so much。即係我會想可能夜晚 at least 9點到10點係可能譬如 I don't know just hang out with my husband or at least read a book。即係呢排我冇乜 read book 咯，所以 I should。
咁但係你 husband 都係咁早瞓？
係。
Oh wow, that's very good。
佢仲要早起身過我咯。He has a crazy routine。佢會5點半起身，跟住佢會 meditate，跟住會出去街度跑。所以 before 我 wake up，佢已經搞掂晒佢所有 wellness 嘅嘢咯。跟住佢就會7點同我一齊，跟住就返工。
我都試過喺山頂撞過佢幾次。What are some of the habits and routine that have changed your life？
我覺得冇一個特別嘅一個 routine change 喎，但我覺得好多唔同嘅細嘅 things I did like in different time of the like different phase of my life 都有 help 咯。我記得有一排咧，我就好 dedicated， 晚晚都睇書。咁嗰又好，我覺得嗰期係因為我好 stress with work， 跟住我就dedicate 一個好長嘅 me time，just to wind down before sleep， 因為I was having trouble like falling asleep。跟住我覺得睇書係好重要。跟住後尾 as I just told you， 我呢排都冇乜睇書。But 呢排我個 routine 咧係我而家冇陪我個女做功課。佢做功課嗰段時間咧，我去咗自己桑拿咯，落去樓下 clubhouse。So I think that's also 一樣。Actually 我諗 even throughout different times of my life， there's still one thread that goes through， 但係我好需要 me time。即係我每一日我都要 me time，doesn't matter what it is。我可以就咁 企喺個 corner 嗰度乜嘢都唔做，淨係望出嚟，我都好需要，即係冇人要我，冇人同我講嘢，冇人理我，就咁自己一個放空嘅 time 啦。That's my like recharge
咁呢個
hour，
me time 係要幾耐咧？
半個鐘頭 at least。
咁即係你可以企喺度半個鐘頭。
我可以，或者我可以即係沖涼沖半個鐘咯。即係我成日都沖好長嘅涼啊，我匿埋
皮都爛
鎖埋，
啦
跟所以呢排我係成日去 sauna 啦，落去
嗯
敷個 mask 啊咁樣。總之係 just myself
嗯
嘅時間咯。like
其實我都覺得係，唔知係咪年紀開始大咗咧，我都覺得係需要一個時間係要 calm down。
yeah
我自己我就中意出去行，跟住就
嗯
唔好有人，有好多人中意一齊去行啊，或者係 group with friends，but 其實我係好 enjoy 自己一個去行，and then 我就會個腦可能唔知飄咗去邊度，我會覺得好舒服。
可以諗下嘢咯嗰啲咯。
係啊，同埋好似唔會有人煩我，我而家係好驚聲音嘅。我聽到咧，我有陣時啲 kids 一翻到嚟，oh my god，跟住我心諗，唉，又開始唱歌啦，跟住嗰個又再大聲過另外嗰個，跟住我就已經想，oh my god，可唔可以快啲
因為
返學
一擘大眼已經好多 noise 咯。
係啊，
去到我哋瞓覺係真係要冇 noise 先要清靜下。
係呢個真係好緊要。
yeah
即係咪呢啲係咪叫 slow living？
係咪啊
唔知咧，慢活即係要 slow down 下
？slow
有
down
陣
咯
時。
，yeah
所以我覺得你係一個好識得，即係好知道自己想點，好識去 set 啲 goal。所以我成日都見到你每年啊都會同啲小朋友去 set 啲 goals 啊。咁 how do you do that？ 同埋你點樣去教你嘅小朋友啊，或者係 even for your business，how do you 即係 as a business owner 或者 as 一個 mom 點樣去做呢件事啊？
我覺得 I'm far far away from being know what I want 我覺得即係我個 character 好適合，真係好適合做一對手咯，即係好適合做一個背後嘅人咯。其實我覺得唔係淨係我性格啦，或者我個 education 啊 everything is just like 好塑造咗我係一個聆聽嘅人咯。即係我絕對唔係一個會 drive 嘢嘅人，我唔係一個有 ideas 嘅人，我唔係一個有想法嘅人。我對 most of the things 我都係冇意見。我覺得你嘅意見就係好意嘅意見。如果你想嘅話，我同你一齊做，我幫你做。即係其實我係好適合做呢個角色咯。所以我以前咧係好想做一個秘書，我個 dream job 係一個秘書，因為我就好中意幫人哋即係做佢哋嘅 dream 咯。
係。
咁所以其實我覺得有咗小朋友之後，我係好，it's actually 我係 learning，like I'm learning as well as。其實我冇 Pia learn 得咁好添，我覺得即係點樣有想法，或者點樣去堅持自己嘅想法。即係我覺得呢個我見到佢，我覺得我係唔得，我自己都要加油咁樣咯。
你會係點樣去 guide 佢去 set 啲 goal？因為我見到佢游水又好犀利啦，跟住其實你嗰個 goal setting 呢一樣嘢，我都有同我啲女跟住你去做，即係每年 year end 都會，即係咪真係 reach 到咧？我又覺得可能真係都係我 talk 嘅好多都係，but we still try to see how we can achieve。
即係 at least 你有嗰個 intention 去 working towards something 咯。
係啊，
我覺得 something that 我會 quote from 我個 husband， 即係he always set like these humongous goals。但係咧，其實我話你都即係我一開始我個 perspective 就係你都 achieve 唔到嗰個你已經知道好難 reach 嘅 goal。我話點解你仲要 set？因為 you know for a fact that you can't reach it。跟住佢話 it's not about setting that far away goal. It's about when you trying to get there, like who do you become in the process, which I think it really hits me. 所以我每一年我都會同我啲小朋友 set goals because you need a direction, you need intention, like where are you going. 我俾一個好容易明白嘅 example， 譬如你練水，我女一個星期游5日水，每一日佢游2個鐘頭水，咁你呢2個鐘頭喺水裡面，個個小朋友都係游緊㗎。你點解會游得快過人？即係你點解會最後個成績會比人哋好？有啲唔係呢。每一個人都係游緊5日水，每一個人都係即係每個 stroke 佢都係好盡力游，每個人都係俾晒100% 游。咁點解你都仲係游得好啲 compared to 其他？咁你嗰2個鐘頭，你究竟係做緊一個 workout， 定係你好有 intention？你嗰2個鐘頭啊，我今日想我個唞氣係唞得好啲嘅，我個頭嗰個角度要轉得好啲。你係咪呢2個鐘頭 spend 得 worth？即係你嗰2個鐘頭，你係咪踏出咗一步，定係你只係2個鐘頭 work out？做完 exercise 我走咯。即係我覺得呢一個係一個好即係唔係一個 yearly 嘅 goals， 但係每一日你都有呢啲細嘅 goals。你要真係做乜嘢嘢，你都要有一個 intention， 你先會有 improvement。你要有 improvement，then it's just like 你有 improvement， 你先會見到原來我嘅努力係冇白費到。咁你要知道你冇白費到，你先會有動力再去你第2個山丘。咁你只要每一次你都係 going toward 一個山丘，你先會最後去到你想要 reach 嘅 ultimate goal to achieve your dreams，right？ 所以我覺得每一日都要有呢啲，即係真係我每一次游水之前我都會問以前我會問佢，而家佢已經會自己識 focus on 一樣嘢。我今日個練水，我今日淨係想我左手要畫得好啲 ，that's it。you know。
係啊 I mean I totally agree， 因為其實我諗亦都係嗰個你個女嗰個 personality，因為我個細女咧都係嘅，佢係好知道自己想點。佢其實我哋3個而家，我同我大2個女一齊去做yoga。咁大女係一個 happy go lucky 嘅性格，但係個細女咧 she knows this class I need to get this done。my intention is to fix this 動作，我一定要做到。即係佢係有呢一個 mindset， 跟住翻到屋企自己係咁練。即係我覺得 you're very right， 即係 intention 呢樣嘢係即係好緊要，去點樣去幫一個人，即係 be a better version of oneself 咁樣。
好似你大同埋細就係我調轉咗，細大就係 Pia， 即係 you know。But 我覺得都係 it's okay if you are not。即係譬如我唔知你個大女係咪好似我個細仔咁啦，即係就係嗰句 happy go lucky。咁 I think it's just the way how you do things in life to make you happy, make you feel fulfilled。因為如果我要叫 Pia 唔緊要啦，即係是但啦咁，佢唔會滿足㗎。佢一定要知道自己有成長到，佢一定要有 improve 到，有 needle 有 move 到，佢先開心。如果我叫佢 relax 咁樣，佢一定佢唔得咯。即係佢唔會，唔係唔得啊，it doesn't suit her way。
即係每個小朋友每個人嘅 personality 都真係可以好。
There's no right or wrong。
會 set 啲 goals up for 你個女或者 for 自己啦。即係 how do you do it so you won't feel overwhelmed？ 即係你頭先講話你husband 會 set 啲 unachievable 嘅 goals， 咁但係 at the same time 你又覺得因為我 set 咗啲 unachievable 嘅 goals， 咁所以變咗我嘅 intention 就會 intend， 即係會跟住嗰條線去行。咁你會覺得咁樣好啲，定係你會覺得會 overwhelm 咗自己咧？有陣時
你要好清楚自己嘅長處短處 ，how does it suit your character to fulfill the needs that you want inside？ 即係咧，譬如我老公咧，佢好中意呢啲好 overwhelm 嘅 challenges。The more it is，the more exciting he get。即係佢就好中意群埋一啲好勁嘅人，so that he knows like 如果佢都可以咁勁，我一定可以。即係佢係好中意呢一啲大步咁樣攬出去咯。反而我咧 ，that's why 我會 start with 我嘅小朋友。即係 I'm not sure if this is the way how Pia would need yet，but at least 我同佢一齊 work with 嘅時候，會 start with from a baby stage， 就係我就係呢一種需要 baby stage， 我係需要有個 list of things I know like 哇 today I achieve this， 我要好多好細嘅嘢去 keep me moving 咯。我絕對唔係嗰啲大步嘅人咯，所以我就會同我啲小朋友起一啲好細嘅 goals，it will not be overwhelming， 同埋一定係 talk through 晒，係佢 understand 呢啲係 coming from you，it's not from me。These are not my goal. I'm only facilitating you to achieve what you want. If you think this is too much, like 同埋都係要好多要幾年，即係幾年我哋試過 plan 呢啲 goals 去試下究竟邊啲先係適合。但係我都幾 funny 咯，因為咧我成日都有好多呢啲好 genuine、好 honest 嘅 conversation with my daughter。佢每一年嘅 goal on the emotional part 都係一樣，佢都冇即係佢覺得佢 set 咗，但係佢未做到，佢今年佢再 set，佢又未做到，佢今年嚟緊佢又 set，都同一個 goals 咯，都呀。
咁如果譬如係嗱，你話阿女就即係好即係啱去做 goal setting 呢樣嘢，咁但係阿仔咧就好似都係 happy go lucky 嘅性格啦。咁點樣？
我覺得其實我覺得佢都需要 goal setting 啦，佢真係太細啦，同埋你冇男仔你真係唔知，佢哋真係同女仔差太遠咯，即係 maturity level。所以其實我係有即係我係用緊我點樣去 observe and guide peer 學得到翻嚟嘅 skills。我而家係處於一個對我個仔係一個 observe 緊嘅階段，即係我仲係 try to 了解緊佢，即係諗緊有啲咩方法可以幫佢，唔係幫佢 guide 佢去 set 呢啲 goals。The goals is a must， like they have to。But 我係諗緊點樣，即係嗰個 the process of 同佢 set goals， 我點樣可以同佢講點解我哋要 set goals， 或者呢個 set goals 係點樣之後我哋要 follow through 去做嗰啲嘢。我諗我未了解我個仔清楚 enough to 去 guide 佢做呢件事，同埋 again 佢個 maturity 未去到嗰個 level，so yeah，it's just 而家淨係暫時做緊我個女先咯。
咁你覺得係咪每一個人都應該係要 set 啲 goals？
一定啦，如果唔係你真係浮，即係就算你係 happy go lucky， 你都有啲方向先得㗎，係咪啊？如果唔係 life is too short to just 隨波逐流。
咁但係其實
浮下
好多而家現代嗰啲後生啲嗰啲係 I don't know， 因為佢哋可能從 slasher 啊嘛，可能做
咁你 slasher 都係一個 goal 嚟㗎。
咁個 goal 係咩？
咁佢個 goal 就係想試唔同嘅嘢，可能得到刺激 from different type of roles in different jobs， 都係一個 goal 嘅。
What is one goal that you have achieved that changed you internally, not just externally？ 咁你有冇試過？譬如你 set 咗個 goal， 真係 achieve 唔到啦，你halfway through 可能你會 make adjustment to that goal。
呢個係一個 business 嘅 goal 定係
一個
personal 嘅 goal？
Could be anything.
Business definitely. I change all the time. Like I think with the data that we can see, like daily, monthly, nowadays, it's easy to pivot with the justification。即係好多嘢係都幾 black and white， 見到你係 flop 緊定係 going up， 定你要點樣做？即係 I think on business, I adopt this change daily and often change my mind all the time, like just pivoting.
Yeah.
But then 我覺得 internal goal 即係好似頭先我講話，譬如 Pia 嗰個 I know I'm supposed to talk about myself, but 我覺得因為我同 Pia， 我覺得其實我係I'm learning so much from her because 我有時見到佢嗰啲要 set 嘅 goals。Okay, so one of the goals that she kept wanting to improve year after year， 但佢仲係覺得自己未做到係佢嘅 negative self talk 咯。First 我係覺得佢好 mature， 佢知道自己有呢一個，我唔想用個 word issues 咯，就佢有一個 tendency 啦。咁2年之前咧，我哋已經 set 咗話我哋要處理呢個 negative self talk 嘅問題。咁跟住我哋就一路好多daily life 上面，即係好多 prep talk 啊，好多 self positive you know 好多 habits 去話每一次起身之前我就會講呢啲句子嚟，即係哇嚟自己咁樣啦。跟住咁，但係呢個問題係一路即係我哋都有正視，但係都一路都未係解決到佢。跟住咧上個星期咧，咁佢就有一個即係 year end 嘅 assembly 咁樣啦，咁佢就上台演講一啲嘢咁樣。咁佢演講完，佢好興奮嘅，佢好 grateful for the opportunity。跟住佢就堅持嗰晚係咁喺度練習啊，好 confident 咧。跟住嗰日佢表現都非常之好。咁佢一落去個台下面個 assembly 完咗之後咧，咁有好多家長啊嚟 congratulate 我啊，或者 congratulate 佢啊，好多老師又 congratulate 佢。佢一落到台咧，去坐翻喺佢班 friend 嗰度，跟住啲 friend 就話 ：Oh my God, you did so well! Like, I'm so proud of you, everything。但係咧佢個respond 咧就係：Oh no, I didn't do so well。Even though 其實佢已經係 it was just really really good like as how she has practiced it 但係呢個已經變咗係佢自動一個 mode 就係I'm not good enough no I didn't do well 因為佢同老師傾開偈咧就講開即係其實佢係一個好 sensitive 同埋好 self-critical 同埋好似你頭先講佢佢好有 intention 佢好想有 improvement 所以佢即係加埋佢呢個 personality traits 咧，其實會令到好多時候佢都會唔開心咯，因為佢覺得自己做得唔好 ，even though 佢已經做得好，你都係覺得自己做得唔好，即係 it's never enough。咁你究竟你個 set 個 goal 係幾時先？其實你 set 咗我要做嘅，咁但係點樣先叫做做到？嗰個範圍都好大嘛。咁所以我哋個 solution 咧就係用一個咁我就教佢我話首先有人嚟 congratulate 你嘅時候，你點樣 respond？俾人即係唔好講佢嗰個 internal 嗰個即係am I enough and all that stuff 先。On the surface 你要有一個 manner， 你點樣去同人哋對答？如果有人 congratulate 你應該我哋就 practice， 我哋 practice。I enjoyed it. I really make an effort to practice it last night. I think I did well. Thank you。即係如果你都已經 practice， 你會咁樣對人哋講，你係咪其實都會有少少 percentage to go into yourself？ Actually I did practice and I did do well。即係我覺得呢一個係你首先要有個 intention， 你知道 you know yourself，you know your weakness。我知道我成日都 negative self-talk，and this is really hurting my happiness level。咁 what do we do about it？And 用好多你生活上面睇到嘅細節，例如係呢一個人哋點樣稱讚你，你要點樣 respond 俾人哋聽。呢個就做我哋嘅 first step。Let's try this first。Let's respond it gracefully and respond nicely and then see how it affects you。咁所以好快佢就睇到。你一講出嚟，一個打開個口咁樣講，你已經知道actually I did quite well. Actually I'm quite happy with myself。即係已經即刻要見到嗰個 changes 喺度咯。So we're again like then one step closer to 我哋 set 咗幾年嘅 goal， 話要即係點樣應付我哋嗰個 negative self-talk 嗰個問題。
What values is most important to you as a parent?
Resilient, curiosity.And kindness in that priority. I think like resilience is something that I truly think it applies to everything. Resilience on like 你自己 set 嘅 goals, resilient on how you maintain your relationship or how do you nurture your relationship with other people. 即係 resilient 會唔會係嗰個韌力呢？唔係淨係毅力咯，即係 like你點樣可以好似一個波咁啊？即係點樣都彈得翻起身咯。
係。咁你點樣去教呢一樣嘢咧
？again 我覺得我都係好 lucky， 因為我可以好多時候藉住 again for P 日啦，當即係 not like I forgot about Max，but like 即係 P 日係用一個好實際嘅好 easy 去明白就係佢個游水咯。即係點樣每一日都付出，點樣付出咗之後，就算有唔好嘅 result， 你點樣唔好抹殺咗你之前嘅功夫 ，but then see it as a jumping board to your next goal。點樣 combat with a bad race，you know？Yeah，I think 每一日個細節上面都有好多呢啲 opportunity 啊 for 佢其實。Yeah，I think especially for 佢，因為即係游水 is such a black and white sports，即係 there's nothing else to blame， it's just you and the water。The water doesn't change。你唔係同人哋比緊，你係同自己比緊啊嘛。所以嗰個即係尤其是你嘅比賽嗰個 race 嗰個時間係好 black and white 寫得出你有冇進步咯。In terms of the sports，right？ 咁所以係好 there's no excuse。你有進步到就有進步到，冇進步到冇進步到。你冇進步到係點解 ？Find out 點解，繼續再向前 doesn't matter。你可以傷心，可以唔 you know 發脾氣，咁跟住你點樣 bounce back？I think it just applies to everything in life。
咁 for 你自己咧，即係 resilient 呢一樣嘢對你，即係喺你自己嚟講，你點樣去 handle 或者係有冇一個 example 你可以 share 就係因為你即係個韌力或者個毅力係好犀利，而令到你去成功做咗某啲嘢或者改變一啲嘢。
我覺得呢個又有少少 tie back 翻 to again like 我清唔清楚我想要啲咩咯。I think there were one of the very few things I know I want in terms of business like at least 就係我知道我好想我嘅產品入 Lane Craft 咯。It's just like a yeah，but then 係點解其實我係 approach 咗好多年㗎啦，真係好多年。由我開始1-2年開始，去到我而家我哋第9年，我係不斷咁樣 email 佢哋，不斷從唔同嘅 angle 去揾佢哋嘅人啊，揾 buyer 啊，揾咩，即係呢個係其中一個我覺得真係見到 the door was open after I tried many years。我記得我最後一個 email 係已經。即係一開始就係哇 I'm a local brand you know you support local community like would you like to see my product can I come and do a presentation 跟住即係 present 咗跟住就 flop 咗咁樣啦，跟住之後1年咧我就話而家我哋開始入咗 Four Seasons and Mandarin 啦，即係我哋個 brand 已經 elevated 咗，唔知咁樣會唔會襯翻 Lane Craft 多啲啊？跟住佢就冇啦，跟住之後最後咧，我記得我哋臨入去之前個 email 話，我個 email 係 politely but like 背後係 it's just saying like my product is freaking good and everybody loves it like why are we not on your shelf 咁樣啦，跟住後尾就最後嗰個 email 佢就咁樣，跟住我哋就有個 presentation， 跟住 I think also like because my presentation skills were just like way better and like smoother and I again like I know what I want is to be on their shelf and why，所以後尾我哋就入咗咯，即係 even after so many years， 真係啊 like almost 5年 pitch 佢哋咯，不斷係咁 pitch 佢哋。Yeah, I think that's where the resilience。
咁你最終入到嗰個 moment， 你嘅感覺係？
哇！喊啊！
真係喊啊！
即係我終於你都接受我咁樣咯。I don't know why， 因為以前係好 I think it's just like a 好 iconic 嘅香港嘅 brand，you know。即係
What's your next goal and how are you gonna achieve that?
Next 就係 I wanna get into Harrods and Selvages。But then 我覺得 actually because you asked me this question, I don't think I have declare it or manifest it enough to make an action plan on how I'm going to achieve that. I think yeah, okay, good idea.
It's time.
The next time
咁你俾你自己幾耐？
真係都要自己 well 要我真係 want bad enough then the role will appear in front of you。即係我覺得我個問題係for this 係I don't want it bad enough yet。因為可能我太 comfortable with 我而家有嘅嘢咯。
咁你頭先話took you 5 years， 咁其實哇5年一直俾人 say no 真係一個好即係唔係個個人接受得到。咁
That's why the resilience come in。
What do you tell yourself every time no 你嗰陣時？
唔開心㗎，即係會一開始。But I think like 而家 I get the no so often that 我唔會俾佢影響到我點樣睇我自己咯。But again, I think 係因為我都好清楚自己，或者好清楚個 product， 好清楚 where the business stand。佢 say no is not because I'm not good. It's because you know wrong timing or you know for whatever reason， 可能佢哋有太多其他 same product。Yeah, I think the time will come 咁樣再試過咯，之後咁樣咯。即係我覺得頭先你問我有 architecture 有啲咩 qualities that bring into the business 啊嘛。咁 I think I learned from that as well as 即係點樣教 peer 再起翻身咯。即係你跌咗一次 doesn't mean that you're gonna did again. Even though you did again, then it's just gonna go towards the right direction again. Then that goes back to setting the goals. That's where you want to go. 你左搖下右搖下跌下跳下停下 but you're still going there like to that direction。 我絕對唔係好似 P 係咁會咁 self-critical 嘅人咯。即係 I think 即係可能一開始 from the 即係一開始 at the business earlier stage，我會覺得好 personally get attack 話你唔中意我個 product，即係你唔中意我，即係你唔中意我點樣 run 我個 business，我覺得我係做得唔好。但係我覺得即係都係而家已經學習咗，即係 mature 咗咯，唔覺得 doesn't mean that 即係你覺得啫，你覺得唔啱啫，我都繼續覺得係啱喎咁下次再嚟過咯咁樣咯，即係係咯。
咁但係如果你永遠都係你覺得唔啱，我覺得好啊，咁你點樣去即係 take 人哋嘅意見去 try to improve 你自己咧？
我會諗下點解佢會有啲咩 possibility 佢覺得唔好咯，同埋咧我學咗一個 skill 就係我會問咯，我會問 feedback 咯，即係話點解你覺得我個 brand 唔適合，或者即係點解你覺得而家唔係一個時機我哋上架喺呢個鋪頭度咁樣咯。咁可能佢就會話純粹係一個 timing， 佢話純粹 you approach me at the wrong time，come back to me in January when we plan for next year procurement。Then sometimes I do that, then I get in。咁有時可能佢覺得你個 brand 未actually 咧，其中有一次同 Lane Crawford 嘅 feedback 咧，就係佢覺得嗰個 brand 未夠mature， 即係嗰個 branding 未夠 elevated to 襯翻，因為佢哋其實 I mean Lane Crawford is up there，and 佢哋全部啲 brand 都係唔係淨係價錢貴啦，即係都係非常之好嘅 quality 同埋即係好高級噶嘛。So then actually now that when we are launched with Lane Crawford， 我哋其實係有一條 dedicated 嘅 line，係專係淨係 Lane Crawford 先有得買，係 high end 啲嘅。個 fabric is better，like the branding is better， 即係嗰個 tier 係高一格咁樣，咁佢淨係 suitable for Lane Crawford， 係 exclusive， 淨係 Lane Crawford 先有得買咁樣。So that was actually one of the 即係 because we asked for feedback and see like why are we falling short in your eye, then we try to accommodate it。即係有時可能譬如呢一個 case 就係我覺得it's a valid reason, like let me try to find a solution and see if we can present the case to you again and then you can take us on board。有時有啲 take 嗰啲 feedback 我就咁我就 OK never mind then it's not a right partnership 咁樣咯。我哋而家之前有一個我哋第二個 biggest market 係杜拜嘛，跟住杜拜我哋都係嗰個business 嗰個模式係好唔同嘅。香港其實係好 niche 嘅 retail representation， 即係得好少，即係譬如即係 Four Seasons Mandarin、Oriental、Lane Crawford， 即係呢啲唔係 boutique， 即係呢啲 high class 啲嘅 retail space 先有我哋嘅 product 啦。跟住 otherwise 就係 online 嘛。咁但係 UAE 咧most of 90% 都係physical representation， 因為嗰度嘅 shopping behaviour 係中意in person 咁樣買嘅。跟住有一次咧，我就approach 呢個就係想上呢一個 shop 嘅價，跟住佢同我講話覺得我哋啲嘢太貴咯。但係其實咧，我哋個 data 係 support 話杜拜嘅人係可以即係 average basket value 係5-6倍 of Hong Kong，so that there's no way it's just not right. Like our product is not too expensive for your market. Like they can totally afford it. 咁所以呢個又係 we asked for feedback, they gave it to us, but then 我覺得有啲don't sit well， 咁所以我就 move on 咗咁樣。
咁 do you think modern 嘅 motherhood gives you pressure to 好似要 do it all 咁樣咧
？OK， 呢個又係另外一個，即係咧，譬如何詩蓓啦，佢咪係咁贏嗰啲獎啊游水咁樣，但係你都冇見過佢之前輸咗幾多，即係咁我就成日都提我個女話，即係 it takes you learn so much more from failure than winning. Winning you just know that I did it, but then failing you get so much opportunity to analyze like what can be done better。咁我就係咁提佢話，即係 like social media, it's easy for us to get overwhelmed with only seeing the winning side of people, right? So that's what I constantly remind myself as well. Like social media is fake. Like it's just as true as we want it to be, as authentic we want it to be, it's just not right. And 所以咧，其實有時我唔知道你有冇會睇我啲 post 咧，其實我係都有 intentionally in a positive vibe share 我哋啲 failure 咯。即係我覺得 we need more people to talk about what they struggles and not because of the enjoyment of like just reading your sad story, but to know like everyone goes through these things is normal. Yeah, so 我覺得 again like 因為 motherhood 我會 remind myself to remind my kids 其實我都有 remind myself like no need to do it all even though you see other people seems to be doing it all 可能你見到我個 social media 你覺得我 do it all but I'm not you know so 我覺得都係 come with age I think there was a time where I would get affected and see like 好容易 compare 啊自己同其他人 but I think like 可能自己 again 又 go back to 嗰個 I really know myself well enough to 知道 what's my worth so I don't compare and get sad easily like compared to before at least
What do you think is your biggest failure?
即係好多細嘅咯我覺得係好多細嘅唔係 go as how you plan I don't really I can't if you ask me to use the word failure to describe it I don't think I have any
Okay
in other words 我覺得 I had a lot of tiny lessons that just steer me towards the better or the right direction
太開心
都係嘅
我睇得出你個人係都好開心 you're at a stage where you're very happy
Yeah,
right?
I am.
咁你覺得你幾時先至真係 reach 到你而家呢一個 stage at what age 你先至 reach 到即係冇遺憾啦開心即係人生贏家咧係咪叫
我覺得 so far 我每一個 stage 我都覺得我都幾開心咯即係 I was doing the best that I can at the job at the time that requires me to do what I can do I'm definitely a very 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 hardworking person I can say that is a anchor of why I am mostly happy at every stage of my life like everything that I do regardless of whether I want to do it or not I would give it like 300%我見到即係而家我哋錄影嘅後面就係一部琴啦like 我好憎彈琴超級憎彈琴但係我媽咪咧以前咧係逼我係佢完全冇 give up 過俾我唔彈琴咯until I left to the UK at 15 I fell in love with music
Oh
yes
how did that happen
跟住咧 but then 我講呢件事咧係因為即係 like that was one of the最 valuable 嘅 skills that my mom have given me is to teach me how to learn how to do things I don't like 即係我係好誇張㗎我係你直情咧我嗰陣時又跪喺個地下度啦 overnight 啦因為我寫好多好長嘅信啦跟住我又揾一個戒刀咧整爛我個書包啦即係喺度 protest 啦同佢講我好唔想彈琴啦But then I was really good as well 跟住所以好早就已經即係考晒啲試啊跟住就後尾我媽咪想我早啲開始教琴即係 yeah it was just like but it was looking back 係真係一個 good skills to have and I think 可能加上我本身個 personality 咯再催化咗我個 I can see the good side in things and in people easily I want to focus on the good side of things I think that is one of my strength is to 睇到 the beautiful side of everything
咁我問返你 last question if you were to give yourself a piece of advice your younger self say 15 years ago 會係咩呢
I would love to be more risk-taking just really to know yourself know your strength there's nothing like what you want to be what you want other people to see you as but really 係你個 deep down 你個 DNA 你個 true the character that your mom gave you like what it is stripped down everything naked 你裡面係真係想要啲咩咯。It's hard to do though. I think it takes a lot of experience and trying things. That's why I mentioned risk taking. I think just trying things makes you understand yourself more, because obviously from trying you get different emotions like good, bad, exciting, anxiety, whatever. Then it slowly tells you, draw it out for you, the type of person that you are.
Thank you so much, Joyce, for joining us today. If you like this kind of content, please don't forget to subscribe Owl Circle Podcast. Bye.